Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. Thank you for being patient. I know I didn't get a video out on Sunday, but it's been crazy lately. I don't know if any of you have kids that are super motivated and want to do everything, and they're good kids and you want to support them, but I'm still his ride to everything. And so he's super busy and I love that, but it makes juggling everything very, very difficult. All right, so today I'm going to show you the best deals going on at Walgreens, not just the items that you see here. I'm trying to be mindful of not buying way too much this year. So I just want to show you what I got, and then I'm going to share all the other deals that I didn't do that you might also want to consider. I'm going to give you some updates from last week as well, and of course clearance pictures at the end of the video. I want to share something personal with you guys. My son recently auditioned for The Wizard of Oz. Now that will be the first time he has done a show that I actually did when I was in school. I did Wizard of Oz when I was in high school. So I was really excited for him to audition for that one. And I did have a part that I hoped he would get. And I never have a part that I hope he'll get. Like, I just want him to do his best and have fun. And every part he's ever gotten, he has a blast with. But this time I really wanted him to get the Tin Man, and he did. And I'm so proud of him. And I cannot wait to see him perform in that one in May. He's in another show right now that performs in March, and he's auditioning for another one that will also perform in May. So when I say he's busy, that's just one of the things he's involved in. All right. Oh, shoot. As I'm sitting here, I realized I forgot to put something on the table. Let me go get it really quick. Okay, I'm back. These Pure gums, they are 90% off. So these rang up 49 cents. There was an entire display at my store. It was not marked. They had green, they had blue, and they had pink. Now, the green and the blue were marked on clearance at another store. So I asked, hey, do you mind telling me how much this is ringing up? And they scanned this one and it was 49 cents. So I grabbed a couple of those. Excuse me, what a morning. So check your store and see if they have these. If they're not marked on clearance, it doesn't hurt to ask. So many times people will tell me, oh, not at my store. That's not on clearance at my store. And it's like they're almost irritated that there was clearance products at my store, but it wasn't marked on clearance at their store. And I always wonder, like, do they ask? Like, do they say, hey, can you scan this and let me know how much it rings up? Or do they just assume it's not on clearance because it's not marked? So always ask. The people in my store are really nice. Now, let's talk about a freebie. And if you've already used the coupons last week, you won't be able to do this deal as well as if you haven't used the coupons. It's on the Febreze products. We're going to buy 3 products at $3.29. One of the spray, one of just the plug, and then one of these small spaces. All of them are $3.29. They're buy 3, get a $3 register reward, so we're going to want to do it in store. But there are $2.30 digitals for each of these items. So clip each of those coupons. You'll pay $2.97 at the register, get back a $3 register reward, making all 3 of them free. So that's a deal I did in store. The sandwich bags, or not just the sandwich bags, but the complete home bags, all the different sizes, are buy 1, get 2 free. The price on these is $2.79 for 3 of them, or 93 cents per box. I pulled these out of my pantry because, like I said, I'm trying not to buy too many things. Now, it is Super Bowl week, I think. The only reason I know that is because I've been invited to a couple of parties. So that means things like chips and frozen pizzas and like appetizers and sodas are on sale pretty much everywhere, because sales tend to be based on what's coming up, what's going on. Clearance tends to be what just happened, right? So the soda, y'all know by now that I like ginger ale. These are 3 for $11.99. That makes them $3.99 each, and there are a few different varieties that are that 3 for $11.99. The other sodas, Dr. Pepper, 4 for $18.98. That makes them $4.74 each. The Pepsi products are 3 for $12. but there is a $2 coupon when you buy 4. So if you purchase 4 of those, it's going to be $17.32 minus that $2 digital. You'll pay $15.32 for all 4 of them, or $3.83 each. So whatever your soda preference, it's likely on sale at Walgreens this week, so check that out. The best part is Walgreens has an offer for everyone. It's in their weekly ad. Spend $25, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and tons of products are included in that grocery offer. You'll see it if you go onto the app. You'll see it under the offer. If you put $25 worth of items in your cart, you're going to get $5 back in Walgreens cash. But remember, you want to spend that out of pocket. You don't want to use your Walgreens cash to pay. Now, I paired that with another spend booster of spend 20, get 5. So I had a spend 20, get 5, and a spend 25, get 5. So I spent 25 and I got $10 in Walgreens cash back. I'll tell you about that here in a second, but lots of good grocery deals. The Nice chips, all of the varieties of Nice chips, like regular potato chips, sour cream and onion, like all the different flavors, are 3 for $5. Which is even cheaper than their typical $1.99 sale price. So check that out if you need some chips. The taquitos. Now these are buy one, get one half off, but there's also an offer on Ibotta. So online price, my in-store price, I believe, was a little bit higher. Online price, when you put 2 of these in your cart, it is going to be $8.68. That's full price for one, 50% off for the other. You'll get $1.50 back on Ibotta, making it $7.18 or just $3.59 each. Now, in Ibotta, there is a 75-cent offer, bonus offer for when you buy 3. So you don't want to buy 3. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So you want to buy 4 at that BOGO 50% off. You would get 4 times 75 cents for each one that you're buying, and then you would get a 75-cent bonus. So if you think you're going to eat 4 of them, that is the better deal. I only snagged 2 of them. I left the other one in my freezer, so I only had 1 sitting out on the table. Now, the way I used my spend 25, get 5, I bought the ginger ale, I bought the chips, and I bought the 2 boxes of taquitos. That was $25.67. I got $5 back for spending 20, $5 back for spending 25, then the $1.50 on Ibotta, leaving my total cost for all of those items $14.77, or just $1.77 per item. So great deal on some groceries this week, combining those boosters. Now this one, and I haven't heard anyone talking about this one, it started back in November, but I happened to see this when I was in Walgreens. You see how it says free coffee? Free coffee is always going to get my attention. These Kellogg's boxes right here are on sale 2 for $5 this week. But this promotion right here, the free coffee, if you buy 3 and submit your receipt, and I'll include all the information down in the comments, you get a $10 voucher that you can use towards coffee. Now, I submitted it yesterday, and I actually waited to do the video because I wanted to make sure that this processed, in addition to me having a busy day yesterday. I got a, hey, your offer's been approved. Do you want a barcode buck for $10, or do you want us to mail you a coupon? And I chose the barcode bucks for $10. I submitted it. It said I should get an email with those barcode bucks within 5 days. So I didn't want to keep waiting. I wanted to tell you about it. But what it looks like is I will get barcode, right, that I can take to almost any retailer, buy any type of K-Cups or ground coffee, and it's going to take $10 off that purchase. So $7.50 for the Kellogg cereals because they're 2 for $5, but then we're going to get $10 that we can use on coffee. Now, y'all know me, I'm going to be spending $10 on coffee anyway, so to me, that's like getting the cereal for free, right? Does that make sense? So I spent $7.50, but I'm going to get $10 worth of coffee that I would have bought anyway. So I'm getting the cereal for free. So even if you just donate the cereal or, you know, whatever, I think it's worth it if you're drinking the coffee regardless. So if you find a box like this, it gives you all the details on the back. I will include this down in the comments. I'll pin it so that you guys can see the information. And if you want me to, I can update you on how quickly that $10 barcode comes to my email. I just got the, hey, you've been accepted early this morning and submitted my request for the $10, and it said it could take up to 5 more days to get that back. Now, other deals that are going on, lots of buy one, get two free. So we have the bags that buy one, get two free. There's Purex at buy one, get two free. That makes it $8.99 for all 3 of them, or $2.99 each. The Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. I feel like I'm having a hard time talking today. Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Buy one, get 2 free. That makes it $7.49 for all 3 of them, or $2.49 each. The nice toilet paper is on sale for $1.99. Doritos are on sale 2 for $4. The Paste Picante sauce, 2 for $4. White Castle burgers, I have no idea if those are any good. I've never once tried it, but they're $2.99 on sale. That seemed like a good sale price. The Blue Diamond almonds are 2 for $5. There is a $1 digital, making it 2 for $4. The DiGiorno pizzas are buy one, get one free. That one tends to be cheaper if I do it as a curbside order than if I go into the store. The curbside price is $9.79. That makes it $4.89 per pizza. There was an Ibotta offer for DiGiorno, but it was not valid at Walgreens. Cashews were on sale for $2.98. The whole cashews, if you like the cashew halves and pieces, those are buy one, get one free at $4.99, so that makes them right around $2.50 a pack. I want to say that was everything. There was one clearance deal on the Shea Moisture. We have a $3 digital coupon, and a lot of the Shea Moisture products in store and curbside were marked down like $3.29 to $3.79. So if your store still has stock on that, you could use that $3 digital coupon and get some Shea Moisture products, 29 cents to 79 cents. Now, a couple of updates from last week. So remember I bought 3 of the scope and I said, hey, my digital coupon didn't come off. A couple of you were so smart, you're like, you didn't buy 3 of the same ones. So technically, it shouldn't matter. The coupon applies regardless of which ones I bought. But we know Walgreens is weird. That is why that coupon didn't come off. I didn't pay any attention because when I pulled them and put them in my cart, they were all in a row. So I assumed I was buying all 3 of the same products. I should have known better. It's Walgreens. I should have checked. So I did call customer service like late in the week on Wednesday or Thursday. And I said, hey, I bought these 3 scope. I had the coupon clips. It didn't come off. And she verified it really quick and she gave me the $5 in credit. Same thing with that. I think it was a Swiffer Duster. I said the $2 coupon didn't come off for that. She looked it up. She gave me the credit for that. So I wanted to let y'all know why the coupon didn't come off. It's because I didn't have 3 of the exact same kind, which is just stupid and annoying. It shouldn't matter. But tip, if you're using a coupon for like $5 off 3, $4 off 2, your best bet is to get all of the same item to make sure that coupon comes off, or get what you want, but then you're going to have to call customer service. Any other update from last week? I don't think so. So I hope you guys have a great week coming up. My son has 2 places to be at exactly the same time today. Something to do Tuesday, 2 places to be at the same time on Wednesday. Thankfully, we have Thursday off, but then Friday gets crazy again. So we are always running in this house. Hope y'all have an amazing week. Stay tuned for clearance pictures coming up soon. Thanks.